Hey there, I wanted to show you a couple of the free apps that I've added. I've logged in as a student and I'm going to go to our class on Clever. When I click, you will see, some of our normal stuff that we had, but I have three more apps down here that I do want to explain. Now, Prodigy, a lot of your kiddos have already logged into this. When they click Prodigy, it's automatically going to take them there. So there is no problem with logins or anything like that. From Clever, it automatically logs them in. The next thing that I have is teach your monster to read. Now, this is a lot of fun. It is something that's going to work on some of those phonics skills before we get into our small groups. And this is a simple login. I have it set to where all they will do is use their first name to log in. When they use their first name to log in, it's going to pull up and they get to practice with their monster. I have them set on different levels. For some, this may be super easy. For some, this may be super difficult. This is one of those things that, again, we're building that foundation. We're going back and making sure that those second grade skills that maybe we missed from March, April, and May are really solid. So it does take a little bit of time to load. And from what I understand, this is free only on the computer. It is a paid version, but they are letting us use it on the computer. So again, lots of
Hello
fun.
again. Here is your monster. You can make.
Oh, they get to create their monster. Lots of fun. So that again is teach my monster to read, lots of phonics skills. The next one that I have is Freckle. When you click on Freckle, you will have to log in. They will log in by using their first name and then their last initial. So our friend Devin would be Devin M. Our friend Ashlyn would be Ashlyn T. Our friend Rafaela would be Rafaela M. So that is how you get in. This is a lot of fun because in step one, they log into their dashboard. They can select math or reading or science or social studies. And then it's going to give them a practice test in each domain. And they're going to take this to determine their starting level. And then every time that they practice, it automatically adjusts them to give them the appropriate challenge. So none of these things are going to be part of our curriculum, but they are definitely great add-ons for you to help your child get a little bit more familiar with whether it's math or reading. I feel like these are great little alternatives, or maybe they finish their work and they need something else to challenge them. These again are going to be wonderful for that. So let me know if you have any questions. Again, teach your monster to read is just first name login. Freckle is going to be their first name, last initial to log in.